Hello everyone, in this video I'm going to show you how to restore old YouTube layouts. As you can see here, this is new YouTube layout where this is completely, this is right. The comment section is here and it's completely changed. So how you can get this old one? So it's very easy to do. So you have to just visit this Chrome web store. If you don't know how to get it, you have to just visit Google, and here you have to just write here Chrome web store and you will get this. Now just go and click on Chrome web store, and here on the top right search bar, and here you have to type YouTube Redux. So basically this is an extension and you have to install this extension. As you can see here, it will completely change and it will give you old YouTube layout. And just click on add to Brave and just click on add extension. So this will take a very few seconds to get downloaded, and here as you can see here it's added. So let me just pin here, and after that, once here I will just click on it, and here you have to click on the extension. Now here you can see this is a settings bar, so you can change, for example, number of videos you want. I just want like 6 and that's perfect. Extra layout changes. So here there's a lot of features which you can activate and as well as you can change, and this is completely free. Now when I just open YouTube here, let's go and we will just open YouTube, and you can see this is the oldest YouTube layout which I'm using right now, and it's completely changed, right? Same way I can just go here and I will just click on turn this off, and let's say I will just refresh this page once again, and let's see that how this change up, right? So it's take us sometimes a little bit of time, and you have to play with this stuff and you can just change a lot of things. So this is how you can get your old YouTube layout in just few seconds. I hope you found this video very useful. Subscribe.